Free and easy step-by-step guide to earning $300 a day with Google. Make money online. Are you prepared to make the most of your downtime? Today we are venturing into uncharted territory and showing you how to cash in on Google. You heard me correctly, yes. Today's video will focus on an intriguing free and simple strategy that has the potential to earn you $9,000 USD per month, or $300 USD each day. Google News will be your main tool in this case. The best part, my viewers, is that you can accomplish this from anywhere in the world without needing any fancy degrees or credentials. Therefore, for those who keep asking, this is a global opportunity. We appreciate your support and loyalty. Welcome back, viewers. We also thank our subscribers for your participation. Now that we have jumped right into the video, the first thing you need to do is visit Google.com. You are surely already familiar with this website, right? Just put Google News in the search tab when you arrive to Google.com. This will take you to the Google News platform, which serves as a clearinghouse for both domestic and international news and is regularly updated. Now, all you have to do in the first stage is choose themes that are well-liked or that are currently popular. Include topics that catch your interest. These subjects could include sports, business, entertainment, science, or health. As shown in the menu bar, they could also include technology. We will focus on business and health-related themes in this video, and we will eventually show you how to make money from it, so stay tuned. In order to conduct business, let us scroll over this page to see if we can find anything of interest. In order to demonstrate how dynamic this side business or income generation possibility is, let us choose a health-related issue as well. Now, there are a ton of excellent pieces here that undoubtedly pique attention. Now that you have chosen your article, it is time to go to the following phase. Let us head over to Spinbot. The link is the same summary below. The free automatic article spinner or text writing tool Spinbot is now available. Because it is great for paraphrasing, Spinbot will help you steer clear of plagiarism. Here on their website, they claim to be grammatically correct. Millions of people use it all over the world because it is a fun and exciting way to repurpose tired content. Now that we have used it, we can affirm that it is unquestionably grammatically correct. And we really appreciate the spin it applies to the various inputs, whether it is a blog post, an article, or anything else we give Spinbot to spin for us. We know you guys are bright, but the next step is to copy the items you found on Google News, paste them in Spinbot, and press the spin button. Have you worked it out yet, rock stars? Now, let us copy the business article first, and then let us compare the two. Even though this is completely different from Spinbot, it kind of says the same message. So Spinbot did a great job. Not plagiarizing flags here, and you already know that the same is true as this essay on health demonstrates. It was quite effective at spinning. Now you need to make sure that you read the finished piece, and if you want to, personalize it. Remove all the extraneous material, the adverts, and make any necessary edits to make it read perfectly. We understand that some of you might be thinking, that does not sound correct or better. That amounts to plagiarism if it is used again. Now pay attention. If you think that, you are just human because we have experienced the same thing. But let us put things in their proper context. Burger King may have plagiarized McDonald's business strategy. You are watching It's Up for Debate. What they did, in our opinion, was to take a profitable business strategy and give it a unique twist. Have you ever puzzled why the majority of news sources, including BBC, ABC, CNN, and CBS, cover the same news? Do you believe that the reason for this is that each has reporters present to capture the story as it develops? The majority of news outlets merely reuse the information they receive from other news sources. And what you are doing in this situation is not too different. What is important is that you put your own spin on it. If you think you can use this strategy to earn $9,000 US per month, then please do us a favor by adding your spin in the comments so we may use it as our guide when we write it down to manifest it. You have some viewers who do not watch the video. but they still read the comments. When they see the spin on it, they will be completely perplexed as to what you guys are talking about and will not realize that you are manifesting your $300 daily. Having said that, we still do not want you to do anything that makes you uncomfortable. But trust us when we say that giving information a spin is a regular practice employed in many industries. Now that you have a newly spun article, you may start earning some money. And what we will be doing is disclosing various websites where you can post these articles and generate decent money, rather than just a few pennies. These various platforms will feature articles that can be posted in business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, or health, and you can access many of them from anywhere in the world. In order to eliminate any excuses for you to not receive the information, we will provide you with the website addresses for each of them if you are not already subscribed, as well as display a couple of them on this screen. Now, based on the site you choose to post on, you may need to post 1, 2, or 3 articles to make US $300 every day. Consider, however, how simple it is to visit Google News, copy a story, paste it in Spinbot, read it through, and submit it. We are going to be reasonable and conservative, but you could post an article per hour. Consequently, let us aim for 1 to 3 articles per day, due to the fact that doing so will put you on the road to receiving your monthly $9,000. The first site where you can post your articles will now pay you anywhere from $100 to $500 for each article, and these articles may cover a variety of themes, including home improvement, health, and more. Dash is located at this address. ThePennyHoarder.com comes in second position, paying between $75 and $100 USD every piece. Your personal finance-related articles could cover topics including ways to make money, budgeting advice, and saving suggestions. Your articles on travel, including destination recommendations and travel advice, will earn you between $50 and $200 from the traveling writer. While Women on Writing, a website that focuses on supporting and providing chances for female writers and is located at globe-womenonwriting.com, pays somewhere between $50 and $100 for articles. International Living offers compensation rates ranging from $75 to $400 per piece, with topics including affordable travel and retirement abroad possible. It is located at internationalliving.com. Now, if you are eager to create articles on web design, coding, and similar topics, a List Apart will pay you $200 to $300 USD every post. The website is listapart.com. No watchers, we still have a long way to go, but we would really like if you could give the video a thumbs up if you appreciate the work we put into doing the research to get you lists like this, so you do not have to scour the internet for them. Please subscribe if you have not already, and we would like it if you are not already a rock star. StrongWhisper.com is the next platform where you can upload your article and earn $50 to $150 every piece that discusses culture, the environment, and social issues. Listverse, about which we have already spoken, offers a $100 prize for articles that are accepted on subjects including science, entertainment, and history. For each acceptable article, Cracked.com does not pay more than $100 to $200, and this can be about entertainment, pop culture, or humor. Your articles need to be approved for cracking, and some of these. You will not get paid 10 cents per word by Dollar Stretcher, but believe it or not, this adds up over time and is applicable to writings about personal finance, money management, and frugal living. NoWritersWeekly.com piece connected to writing, publishing, and freelance labor will be paid $60. Photoshop tutorials will pay up to $300 for each accepted article that is written on Photoshop tutorials and techniques, with a minimum payment of $25 US. Before it can be made money on this platform, your essay must first be submitted and authorized. Income Diaries will pay $50 to $200 US for each acceptable article, and these articles can be about internet marketing, social networking, and making money online. TutesPlus.com will pay $50 to $500 for each accepted article on web design, development, and innovation. The Sun magazine is a literary publication that rewards authors for short stories, personal essays, and interviews. Authors can earn up to $2,000 for their work. Now you can submit articles on a variety of topics, including those relating to health on ProBlogger, a platform that is very well liked for freelance writing employment. Another site that is accessible and available worldwide is ShortStack, which gives you the chance to submit artwork in a variety of markets or categories. The final one is Skyward, which is excellent for freelance writers who want to write about a variety of topics. Now, we do advise that you visit the different websites and assess what the prerequisites are to get paid for articles or to monetize content, as well as to assess the payment rates and requirements on each of these platforms. That is all, viewers. Quite a simple and free way to make money on Google. If you are not already a member of the Financial Director, do not forget to like and subscribe. Up until then.